We'll check any scan. This car is China, so we'll select China. It is MG. Okay. We'll go for automatic detection, because if manual we'll select systems, but in automatic we'll select the whole, we'll scan the whole car. This car is 2022, so we have MJ5 2020 1.5, then this one newer. It is newer than 2020, so we'll go for new. It will give us the car details, 2022 MG5, and the chassis number. You can check on the car to confirm the chassis number is same. You press OK. Okay, we'll go to auto scan. We have 16 parameters it will scan. Yeah, there we have body control. We have 4 failures. We will wait for it to finish. Yeah, the scan is complete. So the only problem we have 4 failures. In this stage, we'll check for DTC report. Yeah, here now it shows the details of the problems. We have the error code U010087. This one, loss of communication with engine control module. We will check this. Maybe it have the reason here it is saying it is aging, so it means for a long time this one have been happening. So we'll check on the harnesses, maybe have some loose or anything. Then we have high beam relay control circuit is short circuit or open circuit to ground. Okay, all is related short circuits. Have sticky brake pad switch. This occasionally it is happening. Then we have no RF signal. It's received from right rear tire sensor. So one of the tire sensor will check, maybe they fixed the spare tire or something. Yeah. So we can still check one by one. We'll fix according to what it have shown us, then we can delete. So this is our engine. It was talking about to lose communication body with the ECM. This is our ECM. For this car, ECM is coming in engine compartment. So we'll check if we have any loose connection and fix it. Then before we delete the errors. This is not right. So now we'll first disconnect the batteries before we open the ECM. Here the ECM, we have this lock. You'll press and push this behind. Then this socket will come out. Looks okay. This also. Open it. See, looks okay. There's no any corrosion. So maybe, according to history, this car was washed. The engine compartment was washed. Maybe this came because of the washing. So we'll fix back and clear off the faults. For fixing, you push, then you take back this one to lock. Make sure you have locked. Make sure this locks. You have start well. Same to this one. Same way, make sure you have locked. So now we'll go here back and clear off the faults. There were 4 faults. There were 4. So we clear. It is now normal. It's showing normal. No DTC. So we'll go back. We can rescan it to confirm it is okay. Auto scan. Can rescan to confirm there's no more happening, because if it is just cleared and the problem is still there, it will come again. Yeah, it's now normal. So everything was fixed. So we'll finish it now. Let it scan it finish. We'll go to the next step of live test. We are going to live test of the machine when it is running to see all the operation, if all is fine or have something missing. Okay, it is done. So here we'll go to diagonals. We click diagonals. It will open. Read the ECU information. You can read the information of the ECU. Read the trouble code. Can clear also from here. Then we have activation test, actual test. Then we have what? Live test. So we'll go for this live data. So in this stage we can start the engine. We'll start the engine. Press brake. We want to check all parameters, so we'll select all. If you want only one parameter, you can go direct to that, but for our case we'll select all and then press OK. So we can see high beam flashing is off. Okay, yeah. What is off, what you see it is off, it means this car doesn't have sensor for this parameter. For example, front wiper, 2-step, it doesn't have it is off, it's not switched on. That's why it is in off position. If we'll switch it on, it will come on. Yeah, see, it will come on. We'll make it off, it will go off.